how to clean the milk frother on the S8 Chrome. Jura has now recently implemented the milk clean tab instead of the milk rinse liquid solution. So this is very convenient. We're gonna take our carafe, we're gonna put 1 dose of the milk clean tabs into the smaller component of the carafe. And over here you can see the tablets are there. I'm then going to go and select to use some hot water. And this hot water is going to dissolve that milk clean tablet. I'm going to take my milk pipe, I'm going to connect it to my carafe. And over here, because I made a milk-based beverage a few moments ago, it's going to prompt me if I want to clean it immediately or if I want to clean it later. If you're entertaining, choose later and then just process a milk clean once per day at night. It's going to tell me what to go ahead and do here. Next, we're going to go ahead and add fresh water. So we're just going to dump this. I've gotten fresh water and we're going to hit next. And this is how you clean the milk frother on the S8 Chrome.